Alright, listen up. You've officially cleared week 1. The new car smell of the challenge might be fading, and this is usually where your brain starts trying to negotiate with you. It'll say, "We did good for 7 days, one donut won't hurt." But here's the reality. Week 2 is where the real work happens. Last week was the clean out. This week, this is the maintenance. Your body is starting to adjust. The brain fog is going to start lifting, and your energy is going to stop spiking and crashing like a roller coaster. Your mission this week is simple: consistency over perfection. You don't need to be a 5-star chef, you just need to be prepared. If you are tired, don't reach for the app on your phone. Reach for the prep you did in the fridge. Drink the water, eat the greens, keep your power and your fuel in balance. You've already proven you can do 7 days. Now we're just going to do that again, but better. Deep breath, eyes on the goal. Let's get to work. Breakfast, a simple yogurt bowl, one serving of yogurt topped with one fresh fruit of your choice. Lunch, classic tuna salad, prepared tuna salad, best served chilled. Dinner, triple fruit medley, a refreshing large bowl featuring a variety of 3 different fruits. Since this plan is high in fiber and fruit, be sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Okay, day 9. Let's start off with a nice cup of coffee, black, no sugar. Breakfast, we're having morning grains, one bowl of whole grain cereal served with 2% milk. The sugar roller coaster team, when you eat refined sugar, your blood sugar spikes, giving you a quick high, followed by a crash. This leaves you feeling tired, irritable, and craving even more sugar to get that energy back. Just stay away from refined sugar. Lunch, one medium potato prepared to your liking, one serving of your favorite vegetable as well. Dinner, the classic protein toast, 2 eggs, scrambled, poached, or fried, with a slice of whole wheat toast. Day 10, breakfast, starting the morning with 3 Weetabix biscuits and 2% milk. Lunchtime, warm up your day with a cup of soup light, 4 Provitas, and some cheese. Dinner time, one veg, one bowl, total goal, all in one. I think it's about time to unwind with a cup of green tea. Green tea is one of the least processed types of teas, made from the leaves of the Camellia sinensis plant. Unlike black or oolong teas, green tea leaves are not fermented, which allows them to retain a high concentration of powerful antioxidants. Day 11, breakfast. Kickstart the day with breakfast served, 175 ml of yogurt and a side of fruit. Lunchtime, simple, salty, and green, the perfect midday meal. Day 11, coffee time, black, no sugar. Dinner, 3 fruits, one bowl, the ultimate trio. Day 12, breakfast, steamed, dried, and delicious. The perfect breakfast bowl, 80 to 120 grams. Lunchtime, leveling up my lunch with a big bowl of fruit salad is the perfect mix to keep me going. Dinner time, for tonight's dinner, we are going with a classic and a perfectly seared steak paired with my favorite greens. No pork. Day 13, breakfast time. Back to basics with a classic breakfast combo cereal with 2% milk. It's a veggie bowl for lunch, guys. I went for some cauliflower. Dinner time, nothing beats a quick pasta night, especially with a sweet and savory tomato and onion twist. Day 14, breakfast, getting my morning glow with some delicious steamed or dried fruit. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, but for lunch. Catching some lean protein to fuel the end of week 2. Let's go. Lunchtime, keeping it lean and green with some juicy chicken and fresh side salad. No skin on the chicken. Dinner time, guys, closing out the week light and right. Yogurt and 2 fruits for the win. We did it. Week 2 complete. Okay, team, well done. 2 weeks down, and we're just getting started. Preparing the menu, setting the goals. Week 3, let's get it.